Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 26th of April 2025. So we got a big news yesterday about the glove. You have to check out this one really. This news. This one.
Malaysia bans export of non-locally made rubber gloves with immediate effect.
Okay, so even our own country is infiltrated by this cheap glove
The Ministry of Plantation and Commodities announced on Friday that all licensed exporting companies under the Malaysian Rubber Board (MRB) are only permitted to export gloves sourced from local manufacturing facilities with immediate effect. According to the ministry, this instruction, which falls under the MRB's Licensing and Permit Regulations 2014, is intended to maintain product quality standards and prevent Malaysia from becoming a destination for trade diversion from other countries.
Trade diversion, so some countries are using our local made in Malaysia, trying to go through avoid tariff by going through Malaysia, right? Okay, made in Malaysia, which is not.
This measure is taken to ensure product quality and the sustainability of the nation's rubber glove industry, the ministry said in a statement. The situation has the potential to cause an increase in rubber glove imports to Malaysia that can undermine the competitiveness of the domestic rubber industry, the ministry said in its statement.
Okay.
To safeguard Malaysia's reputation as a primary source of high-quality rubber products, MRB is collaborating with enforcement agencies to conduct a comprehensive operation aimed at strengthening monitoring and enforcement across the sector, it said.
Okay, so we are now this Ministry of Plantation and Commodities started to protect our this gloves industry is a good move Also we don't get people don't take advantage of our export, okay, and use us as what the trade diversion okay. This is a good move to protect our this glove. No wonder our glove in our glove company, right, devastated last few years by this oversupply, all these things so hopefully they can come back, and hopefully this news maybe might have something to celebrate next week. Let's see next week whether the glove in the healthcare sector get any boost or not. Okay, so quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's go to the market. Let's check out BURSA first. Okay, BURSA we got a big pin bar, so it's still going up, but this week doesn't look that good. We have a hanging man. Okay, so if next week we got a red candle, okay, probably we are turning around. If next week we got another strong green candle that actually can push up above this current hammer,
Okay, hanging man, then we might got chance to continue up. But if we get a red candle next week, then I think it could drop lah. Okay, so we are at a how do you call it, at a junction lah. We have to wait and see. Okay, Ace market. What else do you expect? Another hanging man, right? Okay, exactly at the resistance. Hopefully, okay, it can break through and continue, or else it might turn around. Small cap, mid cap looks a bit like a hanging man, but a bit more green lah, a bit more stronger. Probably this got more chance to move forward lah. But if BURSA, I mean if KLCI and Ace market turn around, I doubt this one. The mid cap and small cap can continue. Okay, similar, the small cap also not exactly a hanging man because we got a more green color lah. Okay, this is a how do you call it? A tail bar, okay, which looks slightly better than the hanging man. So this one probably has got chance to go higher. Look at consumption. Okay, consumption. Okay, consumption we got this double top lah. So I'm still skeptical lah for this. That this can break higher. Okay, consumer is okay. Consumer already dropped so far. We got a pin bar, so it got 514. I think got potential. Energy maybe small rebound because US doesn't want the oil price to go up lah, because they want to do a lot of manufacturing they want to bring manufacturing back to US, and the energy price cannot be high lah, okay, or else the cost will be very high. Healthcare, that's why we have to wait lah. Next week if we can break to 1908, then probably we got something, okay, or else we just have to wait and see. Finance just slowly going back up lah. Nothing much happening, not too strong. Industry, okay, industry break. Industry maybe rebounding from the bottom channel. Okay, as long as we can we got keep the good news keep coming from the US this trade talk between our this trade ministry okay, and this US, okay, so hopefully continue up. Plantation not much happening, still stuck in the bottom channel. Properties and the commodity price also, the CPO price also not going up. Property another head and shoulder, so for weekly chart the neckline is here 1017, so 1017 remain the resistance. Read double top here, so I'm not very keen also lah. It might rebound a bit, but I'm not very keen on this one. Technology we might get a rebound, but technology, right, we might have a small rebound. It need to break 57, then it only got chance for here lah. You need to break, because you see this resistance very important, right? Okay, you need to break above here, maybe then we get long term, or else we might have a small one and continue to drop lah. Okay, because now US is strong lah. US technology sector is strong. You can see Apple, all this rebounding, Tesla. So this one might follow. Okay. Whether you like it or not lah, up to now okay, we are our stock market still the momentum still mimic US lah, so US strong, normally we strong, US weak, normally we weak lah, so we still mimic the US market lah, from at least from the chart perspective lah. Okay, telco 504, telco strong, you see big red candle, big green candle, right? Boom, 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 boom. Still a green candle. No tail yet, so it's still very strong. Okay. Transportation. Okay lah. Maybe still can rebound a bit. With all this tariff war, transportation won't be too great lah. I doubt it will be very great. Unless we get this exemption from the US. Utilities. Okay, utilities look maybe can rebound a bit higher from bottom channel to top channel. Maybe short-term window, or maybe chart opportunity to run lah. You report high lah, you report very high, so this is chance to run lah. Okay, look at US. A quick message before I continue to the US. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward some discount, all these things so you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser very friendly guy Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. You want to open this trading view, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay. Okay, let's check out the global. What else? Bitcoin first, of course, right? Bitcoin, okay. Bitcoin looks good. Okay, you see the bullish candle, right? The green candle bigger and bigger. Okay, and it just broke out from this channel. Okay, this triangle this is what do you call that a bear flag, right? Kind of like a bear flag okay, bear flag. Okay, a bear flag then broke out, so the target remain. Okay, for me 109, the previous high here, the double top, or remember the cup and handle, right? The cup and handle target. Okay, these are the cup and handle. This one cup and handle target remain, we are looking at 109 or 125, 126 this area. Okay, so hopefully it can continue go. It can continue go there okay. Look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum not so great. Ethereum, let me see. Yeah, Ethereum do have a rebound. So it just, you got a bullish engulfing, a big bullish engulfing, right? Okay, then it broke through the resistance. Okay, but it haven't break out. Okay, haven't break out. So Ethereum has been lagging this whole crypto cycle, right? But there is potential it come back to 2334 or 2610 Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin potential coming back to this 96, this double top, this double top. Triple top. Okay, triple top. 1, 2, okay. One, two, three kind of like a triple top Okay, hit the target now, coming back up. Okay, so there's a chance that it might come back to test these are 96 here. Okay, 96. If it break out, even potential can go higher. SRP. Okay, SRP we also got this okay, this triangle, but it haven't break out. SRP, the problem with SRP haven't break out. Okay, haven't break out. Okay, so remain, we got a resistance over here okay, resistance, yeah, 258 or 2584. So it's not really that strong. You can see all these upward momentum also not as strong not as strong as the others. Okay, but looks good At least you see you got a bullish engulfing candle okay, pointing up. Cardano looks strong. We got bullish engulfing, so there's a chance that it can break. It can come back to test the top of the flag. Okay, around $1, $1 okay, top of the flag. If we break top of the flag, it might still have opportunity to it might get the opportunity to go to this 1.5 Solana. Okay, so Solana, so potential coming back to 178. This the neckline of this head is double top, but if we break 1.78, it might even go higher. Okay, for now momentum looks good. Avalanche, we are having a double bottom, but it haven't break the neckline. Okay, it haven't break the neckline. Okay, the neckline is 23.4, so it just around there. Okay, hopefully it can break through. If we break through, we got double top. It's probably heading towards 32. Okay, look at dollar. $8 we get a pin bar, so dollar could be reversing around, reversing up. Okay, look at Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng trying to cover. I think Hang Seng coming back to cover the gap. 23,000. A50 China, A50 still in a flat pattern. Okay, but still in a resting lah. Also, it could break above the flag and go higher. Okay, depends on the US and China talk lah. So there's a lot of how they call that back and forth lah. Okay, between this press, China and US. Trump yesterday said, okay, he spoke to President Xi. Okay, but China, Beijing, saying that they did not, no communication, no negotiation, so we don't know which one is real, or which one is correct, which one not right lah. So we still have to continue and wait lah. Okay, according to Trump, they spoke a few times already, but official from this trade ministry in China say no. So we have to wait and see lah, whether sometime between the president to president talk, nobody know lah. Okay, I mean the lower level might not know, so we have to wait and see whether it's true. Sometime maybe it's not how do you call it lah, official lah. We don't know yet lah. So it could be fake also. We don't know. But look at the chart But you say US later we look at US I thought we talk. Okay, Nikkei maybe can break up maybe, but still in the downtrend, got some momentum up. STI affected by this trade war, came back down now, coming back up. So I think all these okay, will rebound due to this optimism of trade talk, okay, between US and China. But I do think in the long term okay, market is going to retrace more I mean going to drop okay. Australia double top here, so it might come back to test the double top, lower low lower low, so it might come back to make a lower high, okay, and continue the downtrend this is what I expecting okay. I'm not saying guarantee will happen, but we are expecting like that. Thailand also any rebound back to here I think run because it dropped quite significant okay. UK also lower low, right? So any rebound lower high, so I think it's also making a downtrend in the long term. German DAX also I think one more rebound up, double top maybe, I think will come down. Semiconductor index, okay, I think one more rebound up. You see semiconductor index looks a bit like what head and shoulder, right? Okay, maybe one more rebound, test the neckline, I think long term is coming down. Okay, look at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq, right? So all these due to this optimism, or maybe US and China could potential, okay, come up with a trade deal because you see you hear, okay, first, okay, maybe we just piece the puzzle a little bit okay. Trump are saying they are discussed, there has been talk but he didn't say who, okay. Then China keep on denying, I mean Beijing denying no. Then after that, okay, you hear US starting to cut down some tariff on some import from China, right? Okay, and after that we see China also starting to say they are going to exempt some product from US on their this tariff okay. So you see they are toning down. Then the next thing we hear, Trump is saying he's talking to President Xi. So you see that, I mean you are trying to join the dot. It looks like potential something US know that we don't know. That's why you see the US market is trying to rebound, right? Okay, maybe they know, maybe they are really talking. Okay, so optimistic so you see, a lot of time you need to watch the global first but I do think this could be short-lived I think it will rebound one more time up here, make a lower high, and what happened? Okay, I think they will start to, in the long term, right? I think we will one more rebound up. It will after this optimistic feel how do you call it optimism end, right? Okay, then people are still looking at a recession, I think, because first US, you remember we talked about this long time ago, right? Okay, 2023, many experts, including expert from Johns Hopkins, right? Okay, the professor also say the recession is baked in, okay, when the Fed raise the interest rate towards close to 6, close or over 6%. I also forgot. I think the peak was 5.7 or 5.7, right? Near the 6%. So she said it's baked in. All the experts expect 2023, end of 2023, it did not happen, the recession. Recession market crash normal okay. You cannot expect a recession and market bull market, right? Okay. I mean, it don't happen exactly together, but it will be somewhere around there, okay. So it didn't happen. Then experts say, due to this, still the money supply is still positive in US, okay, still positive. So people are still spending money, okay. So it moved to January, beginning of 2024, but it did not happen. Then they say end of 2024 sure will happen, and did not happen. So maybe US really know it will happen. So maybe that's why this Trump administration, okay, they throw the card first, means they go for the trade war before they go into recession. They know it will happen, okay. They know avoiding after a Fed, okay, increase the rate, one of the fastest, okay, in the US history, okay. How fast they increase the interest rate, okay. So definitely will damage the economy, okay. So how soon? So that's why before they know they are going to hit a recession, might as well one time go for, before we hit recession, we go for the trade war. If you already hit recession, no way US can go for a trade war. Maybe they know they are going there, so might as well hit the trade war. So one shot, everyone go into recession, including you, China. Okay, so there's not much damage done. I think something like that. Okay, so the recession is baked in. So probably, even though don't trade war, I do think it is coming. They differ from March 2023, differ from 2024. I think how far the Fed can dance their way out of this recession. This is how I think. I mean, I'm not saying I'm guaranteed I'm right. Okay, but this is how I think. I mean, how my perception of the US market. See another one, right? Let's say S&P, right? I think here will be one more rebound. After rebound, what happened? I think it will turn around and another head and shoulder for all this US market, right? Dow Jones, okay. Dow Jones also maybe got one more bounce up. Look, a little bit of maybe up a bit. Then I think okay, unless really China and US can hit a very solid deal, very optimistic, okay, then we might have this, okay, very optimistic. It might come here, break above this high, make a higher high, then we go for another bull market, which I think is very unlikely, because you see, bubble, right, happen every few years, okay, every few years it will happen one time, every 5 to 10 years, okay, 5 to 10 years. Okay, 5 to 10 years, the bubble will happen one time. 98 financial bubble, or the .com bubble, housing bubble, the COVID, So now, COVID 2020, right now, 2025, and 5 years. So within 5 to 10 years, it might happen one time. So maybe, I'm not saying guarantee will happen, maybe, it could happen. Okay. Okay. Russell. Okay, Russell also maybe one rebound up. I think one rebound up to 2172. I think long term, I think it's still not negative. Nifty, a bit stronger. But now Nifty, India is in a very good position. This trade war actually drove India to a better position to take a lot of manufacturing from China. Because with continuing trade war, and all these Apple, all these, right, they will start to divert some of their production out of China to where's the best place, the cheap labor, big market, India, right? Okay. So slowly they might start to go to India, but I know some of you say India facility not yet, but 30 years ago, China also don't have a facility, right? How they started, right? So once the government is how do you call it? Is compelled to push, right? definitely India can step forward, because India population is much younger than China. China, the boom population already all old already. Now the younger population is less. Okay, because the single one child policy. Because India, the young population is a lot, so they can actually push the market. And you see, India now make their car. They got EV. They just want to start lah. They got car. They got Tata. All these Mahindra car. They got motorbike. They make their own motorbike, racing bike. All this. So yeah, India. I mean, if they want to push, India do have the knowledge and capacity to do so lah. Which I think worries China lah. Okay. You see, straight away, the trade war, right? US go where? Very simple, right? You know who the alliance that US want, okay? Who US want to partner, right? The trade war. First, go to Japan, right? Japan negotiating. Secondly, okay, straight away the vice president flew to India, right? Vice president straight away flew to India. So once they know they control, they partner with these two. Okay, China probably will be in a will not be I think China position will be how they call that? China position in this trade war will the Chinese strength in this trade war will be cut down lah. Okay, this is how the US want to play the game lah. Once you get these two to collaborate, so China will be weaker lah. Let's say if Japan, South Korea, India all join China to fight US, and US habis lah. Okay. Aluminium. Okay, aluminium. This is how I just story lah. This is just how I see lah. I'm not saying guarantee it will happen like that lah. Okay. Let's see the chart lah. Okay, to verify. Aluminium at the bottom channel still not break down. Still okay. Maybe still can rebound up for now. Okay, we have to wait and see. Still we might have a small rebound trying to go higher. Okay, I think still you see how you look at the daily chart. We got a double bottom here. Alright. Okay. But small one lah, so small rebound expect. We don't in the trade war we don't expect steel to be very strong yet lah. Okay, maybe long term lah. Okay, you see China still also still flat. China still flat. This steel price also still going down. So nothing much. China is I think it's the biggest manufacturer of steel lah for now. That's why I have to look at China, right? Okay. FCPO also still coming back down, no rebound, not strong. And you see the CPO price also lah, keep on dropping. Copper is still in this channel, still okay. Still okay. Copper is still okay. In this uptrend channel lah. Okay. Uptrend channel. Gold we got a big pin bar, so be careful. Gold might start to drop. Okay. Silver is slowing down, maybe making a lower high. I think starting to turn around. Oil maybe have we got this probably we might have a rebound here lah. Here. Okay. Might got a false break, turning back. So oil might got a short-term surge. I don't think it will be long-term. Okay, probably short-term. US is trying any way that they can to cut down the oil price. This Trump administration just approved license to mine oil. I think from the bottom of the ocean. So there are other way to get oil. So they are trying to make oil easily accessible. I mean cheaper oil. So very difficult for oil to go up in the long term. Okay, look at US stock Apple. See Apple, right? Also we got quite a bullish sign going up. So it might go higher, but I doubt this is long term. Or maybe it come back to 221. Or I think long term is coming down also lah. Okay. Maybe one more rebound. AMD nothing yet. AMD in bottom channel. Maybe still get rebound, but not very strong yet. AIM we got double top here, so it's trying to just rebound from the support. I doubt can go anywhere with the trade war. Broadcom. But you see you are looking at some strength, right, from the US market, right? You see, okay, you see big upper, okay, trying to rebound up. AMD not much. AIM also trying to rebound up. All the chip. Okay, AIM trying to rebound. Maybe still can go higher. Short term, I don't think it's long term, but short term, yes. Okay, I do think. Broadcom, you see, big bullish engulfing. So Broadcom might have another push up, maybe double top. Amazon not much. Also some bullish momentum. So US market actually quite strong for the last few days. Okay, this whole week. Okay, Alibaba maybe trying to will push up a bit. Okay. Boeing. Okay, Boeing. Initially we hear some cancellation from China, but then we hear that all the cancellation, other country actually wanted the aircraft, right? That China cancel. So now I hear that we heard that China probably also wanted the plane back. So that's why we got a Boeing. We got a force break, a break and came back. This could be a strong sign that Boeing might be recovering faster. Grab. Okay, Grab not yet break out from the channel we are waiting for it to break out. This 550. Google. I mean Google might have a short-term rebound, but I think any rebound after rebound, I think will turn around. I still think will be all these are long-term after optimism, optimistic push for this trade talk between US and China, I think then after that you fade away. Intel is still stuck in this sideways, not too strong. Intel, we hear bad news, they want to retrench, cut how many jobs, cut a lot of jobs, and also their AI chip not selling very well, all these things is not positive for now. Hopefully they can turn around. Meta also Meta maybe head and shoulder, maybe got one more push up. I think long term also drop. Microsoft maybe push back to the top channel. So a short term push, I think very like potential. If Trump saying, if what Trump said he's talking to presidency is real, then I think there is a possible we can come back here, even push through also. If they get a great negotiation, great deal. Okay. Micron drop, and maybe it may come back to test the resistance, but I do think this is a bear flag. Okay. Long term, I do think it's good. After a rebound a while, I think long term is still coming back down. Netflix different. Netflix broken through. So Netflix might go higher, but for me it's still too high to chase. I want a bigger drop before I will chase in. Okay. NVIDIA similar. NVIDIA maybe might have one more push up to here. Okay, but it also looks like one more push up, come back down. I think long term head and shoulder. Unless it can happen like and Netflix just now, it break out, go higher from this top, then maybe we're going to start another bull market. Okay, which I think is unlikely. Qualcomm. Okay, Qualcomm also we got a bear flag, we got head and shoulder. I think any rebound test the shoulder, I think long term coming back down. Tesla, we got a big bullish engulfing, so Tesla might have a rebound or back to the top channel, but long term I think after the push, I think also long term I doubt it can go higher. But it's all depend on the trade negotiation. Zoom. Okay, Zoom already dropped significant. Maybe we got another rebound back. Also same thing. Short term, yes. Also a lot of these are short term, yes. JP Morgan maybe another rebound up. Okay, but I doubt. I think all these short term. Palantir very strong. Palantir, it might break out 125, maybe go higher, but it's for me, I doubt so. I think maybe come to double top. Short term optimism, I think it will wear out soon. This how I interpret it. I'm not saying guarantee it will happen like that, but how I interpret. PayPal also you got a breakout and came back up. I think this could be a false break. It could go higher, maybe one more push. Okay, SMCI not so strong. MSCI still needs downtrend. Maybe one more push up to the top channel, but I do think SMCI is making a bear flag. Okay. Walmart. Okay. Overmark also have a big volume recovery, maybe go a bit higher. I think down long term is still making a downtrend. TSMC also see right, the downtrend. Any rebound I think also is just trying to like that long term. Or maybe make a head and shoulder, you know. Or maybe one more push up long term I think it's still dropping. Reset. Robinhood. Robinhood also breaking through. Robinhood maybe also can go higher. Be double top. So all looks okay like US. I think we'll have a rebound. Okay, but probably short term. Look at MSCR Of course, if you look at MSCR, right? MicroStrategy, right? I think this the one of the big US institution institution that is heavily buying into Bitcoin you know Michael Sayer, right? So this one you see you got a breakout, so there is a chance we measure this flat pattern. There's a chance it go to 569, similar the flat pattern similar to Bitcoin okay. So look positive for now. Okay, look at BYD. Okay, BYD still consolidating here. If we break 426, maybe can go higher. Still consolidating. We have to wait and see. Expand after a drop, now slowly consolidating. We want to wait and see. Higher already make a bear flag, so I think probably it's gonna. I think probably it will go lower. I mean, it will affect all this. I think they export to US so at least all this trade war will affect them electronic all this. For now of course after they get a good negotiation, maybe it will turn around. China Bank is still going up, construction bank, but too high I think. Okay, Bank of China also I think too high. Hyson also broke the support. If we can go up back to 28 maybe, okay, or else I think still is negative. Security already coming back down. Alibaba maybe coming to close the gap, but I think probably the goring already happened for the AI. Baidu still flat, still sideways. Xiaomi a big drop, but now trying to rebound. I think one more push up. I think all this push up is for long term downtrend we have to wait and see Still strong still the red color still full. SMIC also still downtrend. We have to wait whether it can break through or not. Okay. And Tencent maybe come back, close the gap. I think maybe close the gap. And probably double top I think. Okay, for China. It will affect China a bit this trade war okay. It looks like US might have US might know something that we don't know That is probably what Trump claimed the Wall Street probably know they are really talking but for us we don't know yet. Okay, that's why the big fish always catch the big fish. But you know how to see the chart. At least you're moving at the same direction with the big fish right? Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.